Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Got me some TORRAS case in the house today for iPhone 15 Pro. I can't believe it's already that time of the year where brand new iPhone came out. So anyway, got some cases here. These are two exactly the same for the iPhone 15 Pro. But they're just different colors. So anyway, we're gonna unbox both of these. TORRAS did send this to me and they are the sponsor of this video. So let's go ahead and take a look at these new cases that they just came out here. Okay, so iPhone 15 Pro with a kickstand on the lens cover. Pretty cool. So that one is the black version. I believe this is the gray one, if I remember correctly. Not, let me see. I think it's gray. There we go. Gray and clear. So gray on the lens right there, and it's clear and see-through. And there you go. Okay, let's try them on. The black one actually feels a bit different than the clear one right here. Okay. Anyway, yeah, let's try them on. So this is what it looks like right here. Camera bump is raised, it's just slightly to protect it, but then if you take this off, you can see that it still covers the camera bump to where it won't ruin it. We've got a pretty good snap on this thing. There you go. The button on the side feels really good. No issue there. The cutouts, the cutout looks good as well. It's fairly big, so if I were to use the brand new USB-C port with, let's say, just a standard USB-C that I found somewhere. I think it gives it plenty of room right there. Yeah, so in terms of the kickstand, yep. So you can use the kickstand this way, or you can use the kickstand the other way, and it will stand up even more. So look at this. This is pretty straight right here. So yeah, you can bend it however you want. Pretty strong hinge right here. Let's see what the clear one looks like on this gray titanium. I do love the new color, by the way. It looks really good on these titanium. Anyway, here we go. This is silver with the black titanium. I said that looks pretty good, right? It's a totally different feel than the black one. The black one seemed to be a little more squishy. This seemed to be, the clear one seemed to be a little bit more like harder plastic, or harder rubber, I guess I should say, on the side. They do have some bubbles on the side, on the corners right here, which it's pretty standard for TORRAS to do this, because I haven't used their cases before. And then the kickstand. Yeah, I mean the kickstand works the same, so no issue here on the clear one. The hinge has a little snap to it. As soon as you get to a certain point, it just snaps closed, so that, you see this? So that it doesn't just dangle. The cut is pretty much the same on the clear ones. So there you go. That's the TORRAS case with the kickstand on the camera lens right there. Pretty interesting. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm out.